iDiskiTimes, now available in stores around the country for only R3.50.
iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Bafana Bafana 1, Ghana 1. African Cup of Nations qualifier. It was the penultimate game, the game before the last game. On Sunday, we'll see these teams taking on Sao Tome and Principe for Ghana. And then, of course, Bafana Bafana traveling to Sudan for the last match in a must-win for either Sudan or South Africa. Junior Khanye, our analyst as always, you saw the game. We would have loved a win here. We lost an opportunity to play against a very weak Ghana. Unfortunately, we only could get a draw. Fortunately, we came back from behind.
Kulego nke kunjani my brother?
8-4 yizo.
Yeah, ngibulelise nalengwenya mu trucks. No justice. No selimathunzi tikuti kumakhanya. Ngibulise lengwenya mu Benedict Vilakazi. Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiskiTV. We're fighting no one. Trying to fix South African football nje babaningi ni vurvani ngaphilip. So ngululeko. First of all, konje ngizwe kancane mangibuza question uthi if ngizwe kahle question yakho uthi we were hoping.
I'm saying this is the worst Ghana. Players couldn't travel. No Andre Ayew, no Jordan Ayew, no Thomas Partey. So this is probably one of the worst Ghanas we could have played. I guess we should have won this game. There were opportunities created when we won the match.
First of all, I'm not surprised mina. Yeah, ngene ku game qala mhlambe ngizokwazi ukuphendula nalento eshoma. Yeah, kuleki game South Africa the way approach game ngakhona uMr Ntseki it's wrong. You can't play Mayela no Santi same time. They are both left backs. I don't understand what he was trying to achieve because Mpeta udlala ePortugal ku Braga, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, he's playing centre back. Why didn't you play him? No Tyson, and then failing a centre back whereby unama left footed to a left back. Mayela udlalile against Kaizer Chiefs manje the real test. You could see he was struggling. Yabo Kaizer Chiefs bebengaba test kakhulu mara you can check positioning yakhe wrong. Mayela is a left back. Na ku left back tactical akasekrena umchita ngoba unokuhamba ku left back. So mamdlalisa ku center back ushute le ball abaningi bazothi yo it's supposed to be a goal, why was shooting wrong. Mababamba lela bhola lela singa promote into engekho. Where was he? Le shot ayithathile. Why mela elapha? Omunye ngaphe ukuthi ushayile, why mela la? So i-coach approach game ngendlela wrong. Secondly, i-coach first 10 minutes, okay, sharp, I understand it, which is a good thing for me. Playing no rival, coaching at 10 minutes, or I think at 20 minutes, we needed to an anchor. We needed to win more than Ghana. I believe me, two attackers here in the middle, whereby Mshambe drop Umabuye no Mshishi. And then Mshambe Lagumu Andy Lechard. If Andy Lechard get injured, put him there. Ben Mutswara, a good player in terms of work rate, but as an issue, he passed back was too much. Fagumna Reda, which Alimangalimale, Udaleng, Temba Mshishi, Udalenangalum Chitalo, Mabuye. From deep in the middle, Mshishu Kran Magaza from deep, playing him lay up front three. Skumang international. Remember Mshishi when you talk about international football, Gulego, you count 2017 national team under 20 under 23. The quality won't be the same as Motalago Sundowns. So Nyatoli Sangulego, Ikochi told it wrong there. Isalanga Enka Tumong, check creativity, there was no supply match. Or Rivaldo could say Makpumo Andy Lechard, Pegana Montofunu pass up Hambil, Magafago Magdalo Rivaldo, the Bafaga no pen, they are passing sideways. No forward pass. It will cost good manje Atrope, Mshishi. Was part of Fago Kamaldeen. Why coach has done that? I don't understand why he did that. Kamaldeen, make no mistake, he's a good player for Morocco Swallows. Yes, it is every call up, but you can't play him. Starting lineup, it's a must win for Ghana. You can't play him, never. I'm sorry. He need adjustment. He's never been called regularly. Bafana Bafana. He problem gankulu. So it seems as if he's exposing him. Zalanga force number 9. Zalanga Luther Singh. And the coach white out to Luther. Luther is similar players Percy Tau. Playing a Percy Tau no Luther Singh, and then you put somebody like Kunjenga Menumabu Benzumzal as faults like Nimbega Papamil. And then the 2 day move landed a bunch. So Percy Agazali, South Africa tells you footing in to Pegu Percy Tau is our star player reality Maragazalu operating. Tells you good enters wrong as seasons as Ninga cool. So Gulego all in all, just to tell you we're playing sideways. labantu abayi-2 Rivaldo and nayo Ben Makphumuchali were playing sideways. Also i-coach attacker ngama-wingback yabo bekuhlanti nayo Mrena problem ngomrena is got speed. Yeah, technique is poor. It goes down development properly. It's a high level thing ikhuluma ngayo. I-Sundowns neBafana Bafana is a totally different, especially against Ghana. Remember, these players are playing international. So abomrena they never represented about under 17, under 20, under development ayikho. Nginenkinga nomuntu runner forever. Tina, we look at speed, we don't look at the brain behind it. We need to combine, so choose combine. Lapha if u tripile mangaba kahlale okanye shayivala extra charge hlale phansi ngwenya shayi ngo left, simple. Mawungathi inyawo lakho left ngizobuza ukuthi inyawo likabani. So I'm sorry, shall target ke goalkeeper save poor, 2 of them. You can't make same mistake shooting same amabhola eza ngendlela e1 wenza same mistake. Sikhuluma ngomuntu odlala regularly Bafana Bafana, mistake enkulu kakhulu. So going forward, Percy Tau is doing extra work. He was working extra, going side to side, sort of number 10, umchita, false number 9, but number 10, because support to Khabaltin, Besitam support. My Percy Kumule, Benga last, and Pesa Kichima and Kulego. Mobagazana go Praitin. Many games is keep Angazla go Praitin and then you line him. Yes, just go to Bafana Bafana, but Mauzo Tigu coach means this a double chop with go and fetch, and you want to score it again. It's a problem.
I'm so sorry. Do you think perhaps we deserve to win in this game? I mean, Ghana in the first half really went there. No saves for Williams. But the first opportunity they created in the second half was scored. It looks like our defense is shaky. The guys maybe are not familiar with 3 at the back. And Ghana played in the second half. And of course, it was more even in the second half. But overall, when you look at it, opportunity lost for Bafana Bafana. Should we have won this game?
Ghana, this is not the best Ghana ever. Especially if I heard Ngaruma, there are many players that they're missing here.
Yeah, for sure, COVID-19.
But it didn't look like that. The way standard of football is now. This is an international. Now, the reality comes now today. It can't be all over us. First half, yes, reality. We have a couple of chances, not that dominant. Couple of chances. The Flanteri against Ngulego Beskawat, Umshishi, Kamaltin. Utau. Their front three base covered being combined. Ulo umchitu umshishi of forms of VAR supposed to be eliminated long ago. Muzobane VAR. Hamaltin was not supposed to be playing. First starting lineup. No Luther Singh Utala international week in and week out. Skumanga Praga. Playing. Mshishi is of form. He played. I know he's a good player. One player of the season, player of the season, midfield of the season of form. At Downs, Bam Jalisa, sometimes he comes out. And then you can't go against any miracle. After Mshishi season, he has never show up. He's a good player, yes, but me and Jobang is it go. We're talking about international whereby a lot is expected now. Play Luther is more dynamic. He will give you his balance, left and right, one-on-one. He can take you to cleaners. So Mauleta observe the pressure from Percy Tau. Play both of them there. Yeah. Coach, please play both of them. So mina iyongita argue noma ngabe kuyobadlalisa abayi3 kuye umshishi nolo. Umshishi is slow man. Umshishi ngikhala ngeke lokugcina kuye. Yiko abantu abaningi yes his brain is helping him. Nginento eningi iyongita right makeza from deep ngoba ukwazi ukuthi aliphase a move mhlambi opponent ibe lapha ulifune enyaweni most he can't play off the ball. Nginenkinga ngalo. Mawuzofuna ukuthi kule front three ngoba lapha ku front three mele change gear ngeke udlale njengokuthi usasusa at the back like for instance to building up. Lapha kufuneka minimize touches movement of the ball. So Mshisha now that thing is sense of agent right from middle coming from deep. Faku Luther Singh ufaku pace and abalandeli probably. Mawuzodlala ngoKhamaltin it's a center back. Mina ngizokutshela I'm sorry ne. uKhamaltin is doing well. Make no mistake for Moroka Solos. He deserve a call up attack with the guard. So since I'm a mistake Ghana ngulego honestly they were playing whereby first half ngama pitches but second half they were more. I love number 20 Ghana very arrogant on the ball. Talent is not enough ngihlale ngikutshela. I love players who are like this. Ghana second half they were badlala ngama department midfield bevela and these two badlala diamond and bapusha ama full back wabo second half whereby lama full back bekuba inking bangahamba u2 bekambe 1 mangabe lehleli lebehamba so iwe ngabe ngena phakathi uthola ukuthi mangabe kuyiwa phambili mangena la phakathi ika2 ade badlala behind the defense Bafana and then kuba ne speed okanye badlala la phakathi nge1-2 sebaphumile ngoba uTyson le 3 le umayela uTyson usiyanda balandela abantu le couldn't mark bebangakwazi ukucombine ukumarka. They're not good at man marking. One-on-one, they can't deal with it. But Shanga want to imagine. And why pushing so high on a speed? No. So it's a problem, but Pasha tell me, Usanda love him. Man. I'm not too sure about what you got Lana King. Usanda love him, but don't marquis. It's a reality. So in South African football and Kulegos nature, Kabang Pesa Gazali Kulu Pride. One of the best players, make no mistake, I love pace. Yeah, Yamfano Lazipolang about one, he can move off the ball, second, he's got the balance. Umuntu take on. We need our pace by 7. But to lose that Luther Singh, why is he not playing Bafito? You can't bring Udlali Sumayela Lentoni Dala International Europe Umpete Udlali Europe. Umayela Guparez is a left back. Current Agazalik Zalumako. And then you bring him there. You. Agent, they are playing big role. I'm sorry to show something straightforward. South African, how many players that are playing for under 20? They were playing for under 17 in this team. Bafana Bafana. Under 17, under 20, under 23. It's coming continuously. International, we've got Picard who can continue. Abayazi international level. You can't pay a super sport and sell 600 people here. The quality is going to be limited. I'm sorry. It's a even the coach, why is still there?
All right, that's a story for another day. I suppose those questions we'll ask when we know whether we've qualified or not. Let's have a look at the log table a little bit. Uguti, where do we stand essentially? So have a look at this. Ghana at number 1 with 10 points. South Africa at number 2 with 10 points. And then Sudan at number 3 with 9 points. One more match to go. Thank you very much, Treasy. Now then, let's talk about the context. This is the last question from me to you. Cup final on Sunday. Sudan needs to win. They are playing at home. Do you give us any chance? This is your last question.
Are we doing now this prediction or must we do it on Friday?
We are doing it now. We're not doing it on Friday. We are doing it now. We are taking out our calculators. How many do we need? If we draw, at least we're not going to be... If we draw in Sudan, at least we qualify. But if we lose, it's over.
Do you know South African fans but with their bet and stuff? Why let's cross? Why is cross my finger every day? My results cross my finger every day. Yeah. So I'm going to just to tell you the truth. We're playing away. It's a two tie for Sudan.
And for us as well.
They beat Ghana before. Yeah, and it's now draw Ghana and they can steal away. So we're going away. For me, I see I see Sudan winning. It's going to be a problem for us. Equal possibility to Robert. I see Sudan winning this game. Because it's not going to be easy. I see Sudan winning.
We're not going to qualify, and also we're going to have to fire the coach if we don't qualify.
It's in danger. Since it's wrong, let's accept. It's like Kukangile, but all my fingerprint. And it's not for the first time. So I must accept to good Melu jail for about 25 years. Melu Shai Zanvit, yes. It is no longer been clear to something like that. So we're not doing things properly. Yeah, AFCON Premiership as a whole. South African football, not those. And then but criticized. But how many years? Okay, starting how many years? Now, I'm sitting in Mumbai, Sudan. Going forward. Kulega is not a joke. We point in South Africa not song. But when we win now, we celebrate song. Even our kids are kutalu they must but South African football. One made us stop this thing charge mentality. If the players good, they made us pay a problem outside the field. What can we help? We mustn't kill the talent. Second, we must do a point about that they are knowledge. In theory. Textbook football theory. We stop with the media, I stop with the raise, praise about because of please, and then each job I think he made a cool.
There you go. I guess it's true. I mean, if we qualify, we're going to the AFCON to add numbers as always. If we don't qualify, we're going to fire a coach. As always, it's a vicious cycle. But here we are. We are South Africans, like it's saying. We don't have any other country to follow. iDiskiTimes.co.za, iDiskiTV is on Facebook as well. We are sponsored by World Sports Betting, WSP.co.za. Thank you very much for watching our videos.